Welcome to our channel, where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you're a young entrepreneur or someone who wants to start a business in their 20s, this video is for you. We'll be sharing tips on how to launch a business successfully without wasting time. How to start a business in your 20s. Step-by-step guide. No matter how old you are, it's never too late to start a business. However, if you're in your 20s, you have the advantage of time, energy, and a unique perspective that can set you ahead of the curve. But how do you take full advantage of these benefits? How do you start a business in your 20s and achieve success before you turn 30? The answer lies in following these simple steps. So let's dive in. Step 1. Find your passion and skills. Many successful entrepreneurs say that choosing a business idea based on your passions and abilities is essential. In your 20s, you probably have a lot of hobbies and interests. So it's important to find the ones that will help you make the most money. This is because your business idea should combine your skills with something people actually need. Maybe you love tech, in which case you could consider creating an app or starting a coding services business. Or maybe you're passionate about fashion. An online clothing store or accessories business might be right up your alley. The point here is to think about what you're really good at and what you enjoy doing, and then brainstorm ways you can monetize those skills. When you work on something you enjoy, you're more likely to stick with it during tough times. Starting a business isn't easy, and there will be challenges along the way. But if you're passionate about what you're doing, you'll be more likely to push through. Step 2. Validate your idea. One of the biggest mistakes you can make as a new entrepreneur is spending tons of money on a business idea without first validating it. So before you quit your day job and go all in on your new venture, take the time to validate your idea first. Here's how. Ask potential customers what they need and want. Create a minimal version of your product, called an MVP. Study your competitors and figure out how you can stand out. Validation can save you from wasting time and money on an idea that won't work. Step 3. Start small and low risk. It's common to think that starting a business requires a lot of money, but that's not always the case. In fact, many successful businesses were started with very little money. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars before testing if anyone wants your product or service. Instead, you can start small and test the waters. For example, you could start a blog, offer your services on a freelance platform, or sell digital products online. These are all low-cost ways to start a business, and they allow you to validate your idea without risking a lot of money. Also, remember that you don't need a fancy office to start a business. You can work from home or a co-working space while you're getting started. Keep your overhead low while you're testing your business idea. Step 4. Learn the business basics. You don't need a business degree to start a successful business. But it helps to know the basics of finance, marketing, and management. These are the building blocks of any successful business, and understanding them will put you ahead of the competition. Fortunately, there are plenty of resources available to help you learn the basics of business. You can read books, take online courses, or attend workshops. You can also connect with other entrepreneurs in your community and ask for advice. Step 5. Build your brand. Your brand is more than just a logo or a tagline. It's the story you tell about your business. In today's competitive marketplace, having a strong brand can make all the difference. A well-crafted brand identity can help you stand out from the competition, connect with your target audience, and build trust and credibility. So when you're starting a business in your 20s, take the time to develop a brand that represents your business well. This means creating a website and social media accounts that reflect your business's personality and values. Share your journey with your audience and focus on providing value rather than just selling. People love connecting with real people, especially on social media. So don't be afraid to show your face and let your personality shine through. By investing in your brand, you'll be able to build a loyal following that will support your business for years to come. Step 6. Network, mentors, and adapt. Networking and mentorship are essential for anyone starting a business. When you connect with other entrepreneurs, you can learn from their experiences, get advice, and build relationships that can help you succeed. Plus, having a mentor can be invaluable as you navigate the challenges of starting and growing a business. The best part is that there are many different ways to network and find a mentor. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to people you admire. Be prepared to share your own experiences and help others along the way. Remember that Mistakes are part of the process, and be ready to adapt when necessary. Step 7. Scale and grow. Once your business is stable and profitable, it's time to think about scaling. This means finding ways to grow your business and increase your revenue. Some common ways to scale include hiring a small team, expanding your product line, and investing in marketing. Of course, scaling does come with its own set of challenges, but the rewards can be huge. By following these tips, you can set your business up for success and achieve your goals. Starting a business in your 20s is a great way to take advantage of your youth and energy. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of success and make the most of this opportunity. Your 20s are a time of exploration and experimentation, so don't be afraid to take risks and try new things. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve your dreams and make your 20s the best decade of your life. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment for more content.